Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are going to discuss the types of skeletal muscles, or you could say the variety of skeletal muscle based upon the speed of contraction and the metabolic activity, or you can label them as type 1 or slow twitch fibers and type 2 or fast twitch fibers. These type 2 can be subcategorized as type 2A and type 2B. Here in this picture, you can now looking into the type 1. In the first picture, the type 1 or slow twitch fibers, you can see more red color here of the muscle fibers, and the reason being they are well vascularized, supplied by the increased amount of arteries, and arteries carry more oxygen, so they appear reddish, and they are well laden with the mitochondria, and or you can say the mitochondria here are numerous, which provide the aerobically supply of the release of energy here by oxidative phosphorylation, and here these muscles they contract slowly, so get tired slowly. Another important thing that they are fatigue resistant, and where they are present, they are present in the postural muscles of your body, of your back, and the calf muscles, and you expect them in athletes such as marathon runners as being fatigue resistant. Large amount of myoglobin and cytochrome complexes are present here. What is myoglobin? It is basically an oxygen binding protein that resembles your hemoglobin present in the erythrocytes, and a very good source of oxygen for muscle metabolism. Now you are looking into a picture of the this type 2 or fast twitch muscle fibers. This is the type 2B, where here the fast glycolytic property is resting here. These appear whitish more. Why? Because they are having or supplied by less number of blood vessels. So fewer blood vessel leading to whitish appearance. They are having few mitochondria, being energy is released here quickly, anaerobically you would say, and phosphorylation of ATP ADP occurs but without oxygen, so you would say they are having less myoglobin and containing raw ATP, and creatine phosphate is being used instead of mitochondria to provide the energy. And these muscles they contract very quickly, so the thing that contract quickly, so they get easily fatigued, tired easily, and what muscles we can quote here? We can quote the extraocular muscles of our eye, and even the muscles of our digit, and we expect these muscles that work in the sprinters, the fast runners, and the persons who are doing the function of weightlifters, you would say, or other some athletes are also included here. So these are muscles which are easily fatigue or fatigue prone. You can label them easily. This is another intermediate variety type 2A. You would say the fast but oxidative glycolytic fibers you are looking into, in which the all qualities are almost intermediate there. They have got medium sized of diameter of their fibers, having moderate to many mitochondria in them, and myoglobin content could be moderate to high. In contrast to type 1 fibers, these have got large amount of glycogen, and that is responsible for anaerobic glycolysis, and as you know they make up the fast twitch fibers. They are fatigue resistant motor unit in a sense that some athletes do have this percentage of muscle fiber here, and we can quote some middle distance swimmers are there, or hockey players, or those runners which run a distance of under 1,000 meter race. These athletes have this type of muscle fiber. Now you can see a chart in which you can see the various things located in the muscles like mitochondria, capillaries, and the comparison of these three types. So let's just revise one by one again. In the type 1 or slow oxidative fibers, mitochondria and capillaries you expect numerously present, and the diameter of the fibers, or you can say the motor unit size, they are small, but the myoglobin content is high, giving the red color. And definitely they are using oxidative phosphorylation here, so glycogen content is low. And what next? The rate of fatigue is slow, and my myosin ATP's activity is again low, and the muscle as they contract slowly. Here the major fuel is, you can mention, the triglyceride. And then you see that there is the type 2A in here, which having intermediate quality. They are also having the mitochondria and capillaries in numerous amount, but the diameter of fibers is intermediate, and size of motor unit is again intermediate. Here myoglobin content is moderate to high, giving red colors. Glycogen content is a little bit more. And now you can see other headings too. This oxidative phosphorylation takes place, but the glycolytic enzymatic activity is intermediate. Rate of fatigue is also intermediate. And the thing I want to mention here, the source of fuel is creatine phosphate and the glycogen. And then you see the fast and type 2B fibers, which are glycolytic fibers. The mitochondria and capillaries are less in number, and the myoglobin are large in number, you would say. And the color of the fibers appear white. And then you can see that the major source of ATP here is the anaerobic glycolysis, means glycogen and creatine phosphate is the fuel there. So they fatigue easily. And you can mention here again, let me repeat the extraocular muscles.